ARB price prediction. Let's start by drawing the accumulation phase to see where we actually can find liquidity. We can already see that there was really good liquidity here, 267 versus 262, 158, 106, so 50% more basically in this area. So what I would be interested in doing is I'll start longing right here, but I'll DCA if we actually go a little bit to the downside. And the end of this trade for me would probably be here for a 1%. But my main goal would be to DCA to the downside and okay, the worst case scenario is just we go to point of control, which would be right here. So a 5% trade. So let's say the maximum exit is at 327. But I would be interested in buying at 29.8 and 27.09. So that's basically how I'm planning to trade ARB. I'll set up alerts. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also, if you want to follow my trades, I have a link in the description down below to my signals chat and my course. See you next video.